In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a business directory app in Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, navigate to GlideZub's website by typing Glide into the search bar or directly entering their web address. On the Glide homepage, you'll see a login option, so click on Log In to access your account. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, select the specific app you want to edit or the one where you want to add your business directory. Now, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the navigation bar. Click the plus icon labeled Add in Navigation. In the options that appear, choose the business table as the data source for this new navigation item. This tells Glide where to pull the business information from. Next, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see various style options for your new tab. Browse through these and pick the style that best suits the look and feel of your app. With the basic tab setup, it's time to add the actual content. In the left-hand sidebar again, click the Add Component button. This will present you with a list of components you can use to display information. Select the component that makes sense for showcasing business details, perhaps a list or card view. Now that you've added a component, you need to configure it. On the right-hand sidebar, you'll find settings for the component you just added. Here, you'll map the fields from your business table to the component's display areas, deciding what information shows and how it's presented. Once you're happy with how your business directory app is looking and functioning, it's time to make it live. In the top right corner of your Glide editor, you'll see a prominent Publish button. Click this button to deploy your changes and make your app accessible. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.